The what I do love about this image though is this is just showing off like the weird fractures and details in the European crust. And also, I have a memory of downloading this picture off of dial-up internet and getting yelled at by my dad because I wanted to wait until the picture was finished downloading before I went to stack wood. It's one of the only times we ever had an argument.
It's probably disappointing you weren't downloading porn.
Probably. We had some interesting conversations when I was around that age, which we won't get into. From a fond memory to a mixed memory, let us go to the next! It's beautiful Europa again. It's just a great moody picture of this plant world, and I love it. So good! Look at how beautiful this beautiful little billiard ball is.
Looks like an eyeball.
Yeah. Well, it's very weird. All of the Jupiter's moons are incredibly different from each other. All the 4 main ones. And, yeah, this one is just smooth with just a few marks. It's got cracks and stuff on it from the ice melting and refreezing and getting pushed around by the tidal action from Jupiter and the planets in the planet-sized moons that are near its orbit. Great moon. I don't know. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's one of my favorite moons of all time. It's also because I learned about Europa when I had to tag along at Mom's workplace where she worked with special folks. I needed a lot of extra help, and I ended up bonding with a couple of them while we watched 2010, which for some reason was on the TBS Superstation, or TNT, while we hung out. Yeah, and the whole thing in 2010 was all of these worlds are yours except for Europa. Attempt no landings there.
Oh, yeah.
Fun movie. More, if you want to see like some kind of hard sci-fi movie-ish with space travel and like, you like 2001, or maybe you thought 2001 was a little boring. It's fine if you do. It was a very slow movie. 2010 might be more up your alley. It's more action in it. It's more fun. You get to see Hal again. Roy Scheider's in it. That's always a treat. Beautiful practical effects. Yeah. So. But yeah, basically, Europa's great. And I love this picture. It's so moody and beautiful. I would love to see this in real life someday. If I actually saw this in real life without like any telescopic aid, I would certainly be dying of cancer shortly thereafter. But it's a way to go.